Good afternoon, everyone. Today, our group Krish, Kunjan, and Yash will be presenting on AI and machine learning in data center operations. This topic is very important today because almost everything we do, whether it's using social media, streaming videos, or working on the cloud, all depends upon data centers. However, managing these data centers is not easy because they use a high amount of energy, need 24/7 uptime, and becoming more complex every year. That's where artificial intelligence and machine learning come in. These technologies are helping to make data centers more efficient, cost effective, and eco friendly. In this presentation, we'll be explaining you AIOps is why companies are adopting it, how it works, and what challenges and benefits does it brings. Next slide, please. So now we are going to start about digital infrastructure challenges. Data centers are like the backbone of the internet. They power websites, apps, streaming platforms, and business systems. But as people and companies use more digital services, data centers are under huge pressure. So now we'll be discussing what are the main challenges regarding this one. The very first one, as discussed earlier, is the higher energy consumption. Running thousands of servers and cooling system uses a lot of power. Second is the rising cost. Electricity bills and maintenance costs are going up very fast. And the last one is the environmental pressure. Of course, the companies are being asked to cut their carbon emissions and becoming sustainable, which is going very impossible situation as it has been consuming a lot of energy and releasing a lot of energy which is more harmful for the environment as well. To solve these problems, AI and machine learning can help. They can automatically manage complex processes like temperature control, server workloads, and energy use. This means the systems can run smarter, waste less energy, and cost less to operate. Next slide, please. So now we'll understand artificial intelligence for IT operations. What is it? It uses data, algorithms to make decisions that normally humans would have to make manually. So AI collects data from sensors, servers, and cooling systems in real time. It studies pattern like temperature changes or power usage. Then it predicts when a problem might happen and takes action before anything fails. It's just we are preventing the situation to happen. For example, it might notice that a certain server is overheating and automatically reduces its workload and increases cooling. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Meta already use artificial intelligence for IT operations and they have reported huge energy savings, sometimes up to like 40%. So, artificial intelligence for IT operations basically helps data centers think for themselves and act before something goes wrong. Next slide, please. Now we'll be discussing about the key drivers of AI adoption. There are several big reasons why the data center industry is turning to AI and automation. The very first one is rising energy cost and sustainability. Energy is expensive and the companies need to meet carbon reduction goals. AI helps saving power. Second is complex systems. Data centers are no longer very simple ones. They combine on-site, cloud servers, and humans can't handle all the things manually. Third is needing for the uptime. Business can't afford downtime. AI ensures keep running 24 hours 7. Lack of skilled workers. There aren't enough experienced IT technicians, so automation fills the gap. And the last one is, of course, the new rules require efficient energy use and emission tracking. In short, we need new governmental regulations. So, in short, AI helps solving both technical and human problems in data center management. So, the next will be explained by Krish.
Just like I talked about transforming data center operation, there is a where we see AI making the biggest difference. Intelligence cooling, machine learning adjusts air conditioning automatically depending on the temperature and server activity. This can reduce cooling energy use by 20-30%. The next one is predictive maintenance. AI predict when a machine UPS or cooling fan might be fail, so maintenance can help earlier. This prevents sudden outage. The third one is workload optimization. AI spread the workload evenly among servers, preventing overloading and saving energy. The fourth one is unified monitoring. Instead of manual checking AI system, AI combine all the data into one smart data dashboard and give real-time alerts. Overall, this improvement make a data center more reliable, efficient, and cost-effective. Moving on the next slide. In slide number 6, I'm talking about timeline of industrial adaptation. AI adaptation in data center will happen in stage. For the first one, it's a short-term stage. It's about 1 2 years. Many organizations are starting with a small pilot project focusing on things like energy saving and cooling optimization. Second one is medium, like medium term is like 3 4 years. It's like more automation will add it, like predictive maintenance and automatic monitoring. The third one is long term, more than 5 years. We will see fully automatic self-learning data center that run almost without human help. So right now, large companies like Google and Amazon are leading these changes. Smaller companies will follow up once technology becomes cheaper and easier to implement. Moving on the next slide, number 7. In this slide, I'm called navigating risk and challenges. So while AI bring many benefits, it also come with the risk and difficulties like security concern. More automatic means more data, which can be targeted by hackers. Cybersecurity must grow alone, AI said. The second one is model degradation. If AI model are not updated regularly with the new data, they start to a bad prediction. The third one is high setup cost. Installing sensor software and training staff require big investment. Integration problem like older machine may not work well with the new AI system. The last one is workforce challenges. Some employees might resist automating because they are fear jobless. Companies need to train and support them. So even though AI is powerful, we still need a human expert to monitor and guide them. So next slide will cover by Yash.
Now let's talk about the cost and benefits of using AI in data center. At first, there are some cost. We need to install LOT, sensors and hardware, buy a software license and pay for cloud storage. We also need to train staff and keep the system updated. But the benefits are much greater. AI can make energy use 30 to 40% more efficient, reduced unplanned downtime by about for 60%, and lower carbon. So yes, the setup costs are high, but over time the saving is in energy and maintenance make it really smart investment. Next slide, please. The impact of AI in data center goes beyond just technology. Environmentally, it helps reduce power usage and lower carbon emissions, supporting green energy goals. In terms of innovation, AI encourages new designs for better cooling system, eco-friendly server, and smart batteries. And when it's come to jobs, AI doesn't replace workers; it actually create new role like AI engineering, data scientists, and managers. So overall, AI is improving data centers while also helping the environment, the economy. Next slide, please. To wrap up, AI and machine learning and changing how data center works. In the future, data center will be smarter, greener, and more efficient. They will be more able to monitor themselves, predict problems, and fix small issues before they become big ones. This means companies will save more money, and money will also helping the world reach sustainable growth. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy.